Yes, I tried. I tried. I am a big bag girly, and I tried to carry this little Kate Spade bag, which is absolutely adorable. Love the colors in her. And I had most of my items, but not all of my items in here. I had to downsize. But today I'm swapping out because I need my stuff. So I will be swapping out into my Kendra, taking all of those things that I had in this Kate Spade bag and transferring them over to my Kendra by Dooney and Burke. So first I have my car key. I took it out of that little pouch, and I'm going to use this Dooney& little coin pouch in this blue. Oh my God, that blue is so gorgeous. I love it. Love, love, love it. This little pouch I got from Amazon, and I think that's my candy pouch, and I'll have to figure out what I want to do with that. Look, I even had to downsize my wallet. Look at that little wallet. That's absolutely crazy. I'm going back to this international long wallet. Oh, yes. I can put so much in here. So I will be using this long wallet, feeling really comfortable. Stuff. I love my stuff. All right. And these little pouches I also got from Amazon. And I have some lotion, bathroom spray in there. And I am going to put it in my this is the deco pattern. I love this. This will be my first time using this. I have some little, see those little round things? They actually are cloths that you wet them and they become really big. They expand into a cloth. So I ordered those from TikTok, I believe. So I wanted to make sure I have those in this bag and I still have lots of room. I also have my picks here, and I can put them in there in my other bag. And I have room, so I just had to stuff them down in there. I have my hand sanitizer, and that's all I'm going to put in here for right now. Look how that looks with that black. Isn't that cute? Hey, take a look at the strawberry and the little pouch that I have. It matches so well with the outside of the bag. Here's another one of those little pouches I got from Amazon, and I'm going to swap that out for what I have in this Dooney and Burke. This is the clear, I think this is considered the it. It's, look, I still have some packaging in there. I took that out too. So I'm going to just transfer some of the things over in here. There's my tweezers and anything else. There's some dental floss. I'll put that in here. Some little tissues. I'm going to put in this bag as well. And look how that goes with Miss Kendra here, the black pebble leather. I cannot wait to carry all of this and I don't have to downsize anymore. I'm so excited about that. Here's some little, I think those are my little Advil peels. So I want to make sure that I have that just in case anyone has a little headache or something. So I'm going to stuff this down in the bag and I still have room in the Kendra. And this outside little pouch, I got, I think, four of them. I ordered these from Amazon. These are so cute. And I'm just going to swap exactly what I had in the blue one into the black one. So those were my AirPods. And I have a lippy in here from Fenty. And I believe I have maybe some wired headphones. I always carry those too. So I have those. I'm going to stick those in there too. So I have easy access outside of my bag. So that was very helpful to have that outside. So that was an even swap. This little strawberry, look, there's a little pouch here. I don't know. I may put some little candies or something in there, but that's not important. So here is my little zip wallet from Dooney and Bourke. You know, one thing I noticed about this, I don't know if it's a flaw in this little zip wallet, but the interior part of it doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to use this as my candy pouch. So I'm going to put my lifesavers in here, and also, I had plenty of them in there. Oh, yeah, that's right. And I had some Tic Tacs, not TikTok, but Tic Tacs. Gonna put those in here as well. I just think that this would have more room if that interior cloth went all the way down to the bottom, and it really doesn't. So I don't know if that's a flaw on that one or not. I think that's considered the medium size. I think that's what size that is, but I do like it. And look at this little card wallet from Dooney and Burke as well. So I do have a card wallet, a Coach card wallet that I was carrying, and I'm going to swap those cards out into this wallet. It has the black pebble leather on one side, and the opposite side is I think that's considered maybe the natural. Mhm. I have to think about that, but it's that kind of brown, tan, not tan, but darker brown that they have. So I am going to just put this in here, maybe in the side pocket. I have some contact lens fluid. Now I don't have to drop it down in my bag. I can actually put that in my little pouch because I have room, so I can do that. I stick that in here as well. I'm not showing you the inside. I guess I will later in the video. Here are my sunglasses. These are my Louis Vuitton sunglasses. Funny story, there's a moment for these sunglasses. I got these for my birthday. They came from Louis Vuitton, and I don't know who ordered them for me, but whoever it is, thank you. I appreciate it because I love, love, love these glasses as well. So take really good care of those. Put them in the pouch. So we have some sunglasses. We're going out to dinner, hubby and I'm going to carry my silverware. I have my a glass straw, and there's a fork, my gold fork, and I have some chopsticks. I don't really know how to use them, so I don't know why I have them in here. Little knife and a big old soup spoon there. So carry this with me just in case the silverware is looking kind of suspect. I have my own. So I couldn't carry this in that little bag. At least I keep saying it. I need my stuff. I guess that's why I'm a big bag girly, because I just want to be able to carry what I want to be able to carry. And I just couldn't do it in the little Kate Spade. And I'm just gonna check just to make sure I have everything out of here. And there's a little receipt. I don't need that. And we're going to set her to the side. And then we're going to just organize what we have in this bag so I can easily get to things. So what I'm doing now is a lot of the pouches have straps to them. So I want to organize them in my bag. So when I have to grab something, I'm just not getting caught on all the straps from some of the pouches as well. So that's what I'm doing right here. I can't wait. You know what? One of the other reasons why I love this bag, look at there we go. And it's still plenty of room. It's plenty of room. I love this zipper and the side pockets. And I'm gone. Bye bye.